Hi guys, welcome back to Bob's Travel Channel, and for today's video, I will bring you to one of the most beautiful country in the world. And this country is a diverse country. There's a lot of people and different nationalities working and staying and studying there. And also they have a lot of tourist spots, hot spots, and landmarks that you can travel with. And also they have a variety of food that you can choose when you go there. And I have a lot of friends and best friends working and staying there. And also I am very much lucky that I was able to travel there last year and visit the one of the most famous landmark, which is the Sydney Opera House. So let's go and I will bring you to Australia. So thank you so much for watching all my videos, and hope you will like this video. That Australia is the one of the most beautiful country that I've been traveling to, and Sydney Opera House is just my dream before and my bucket list to travel with. And I already traveled there last year, and I was really amazed with this landmark and also the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So I've been traveling to different parts of Australia like Sydney, Queensland, and Darwin. And also in this video, I will do a side trip to New Zealand, which is also one of the best country in this continent. Diverse country, you can see a lot there, like the Cadbury chocolates, and the people are very nice, and the place is very beautiful. So just stay with me and I will bring you to Australia and New Zealand. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, and comments. Thank you. Bye.
A few moments later.